I'm Emily Cappiello with the Gourmet Insider, and I'm here in Oyster Bay, New York at Osteria Leana with Chef Peter Vandermeij, and he's gonna make us some delicious Italian food today, and we're gonna walk through some of this stuff. So Chef, what are we making?
Thanks, Emily. So first of all, we're making our Cacio Pepe.
Yes.
It's a classic standard Italian Roman pasta. We're really excited to do it here. We take pride in our Cacio Pepe. It's one of our signature dishes here. We start with a little bit of water in our pan. Okay, that's just to get it hot. We add a little butter. When I mean a little, I mean a lot.
It's like Pauline's kitchen up in here.
A little bit, but you don't want to sacrifice on flavor.
Definitely not.
So we let that melt, the butter and the water, we let that heat up. We add a little black pepper.
Smells so good already.
You don't want to make it whole black pepper. What we do is we grind it with the back of a saute pan, and that helps us get us just the right consistency. So you want it big enough that you can kind of taste the spiciness,
right,
but also small enough that you don't break a tooth.
Right.
You know.
It's a great, although I do know a really great dentist if you need anybody.
Yeah.
My dad.
Okay. So once your butter and black pepper water combination is heating up, you add the bucatini. We use dried bucatini here. Has a little more starch than fresh bucatini, so it allows the sauce to become a little bit thicker faster. We also par cook the bucatini just so we can pick it up a little bit faster.
So for somebody who's doing this at home, what would you recommend, like when you par cook it? Talk to me a little bit about that.
Just 5-6 minutes in the boiling hot salted water.
Okay.
That gives it, you know, if you have dinner guests over, you can just quickly pick it up and you don't have to spend all night waiting on the stove to pick up.
So this is a great entertaining dish because you can kind of make it fast and delicious, and people will be like, wow, that's so great.
Exactly. This is
awesome.
A great dish because a lot of people are confused by this dish because it's basically a pan sauce that you're making on a la minute.
Right.
So in that case, there's a lot of, a little bit of timing that goes into it.
Right.
And a lot of experience. Right. So we're just flipping the pan here.
Yeah, tell me a little bit about this technique.
So we have a couple techniques here at Osteria Leana. I'm a flipper. Other people like to stir their noodles. But basically what you're doing is trying to get the starch out of the pasta into the sauce. That allows the sauce to thicken. Finally, we add the pecorino romano. We use locatelli. It's a type of pecorino romano they make in Italy. It's pretty classic, but it's got a very low moisture content, which helps when you add it to the pasta. And then you just add a little bit at a time so you don't break the sauce. Now, Emily, you can see that the sauce is thickening.
Oh yeah, it's starting to really thicken here.
So we plate it. A little twist.
Oh, how beautiful.
Garnish black pepper. More locatelli.
Because everybody needs a little bit more cheese.
Everybody needs a little bit. This is not going to hurt anybody. And enjoy.
That's it, huh?
That's it.
Wow, this looks delicious.